Hey there! In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add WhatsForm as a widget on your website. It's quick, easy, and will help you connect with visitors instantly. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsForm dashboard and select the form you'd like to add to your website. For this example, we'll be adding the contact form for Glow Up Cosmetics. Click on Share, and then select Website. You will see a code snippet here. This is the code we'll be adding to our website. Let's copy the code by clicking here. Now go to your website editor and find the settings for adding code snippets to your header or footer. In this example, we can see the settings for code injection. Then, paste the WhatsForm code snippet in the header section there. Most website builders will have a similar setting. If your website is running on pure HTML, you may need to ask your web developer to configure this for you. Let's save the changes and preview the website. You should see the widget pop up in the bottom right corner of your website. Clicking on it will open your WhatsForm, allowing customers to fill it out right on your site without leaving the page. Now let's go back to the WhatsForm dashboard and update the welcome message here. After making your changes, copy the code snippet again and replace the existing code on your website by pasting in the updated snippet. Then save the changes and preview the website again. As you can see, the welcome message is now updated on our website. Quick tip: if you'd like the widget to appear on every page of your website, be sure to add the code snippet globally or paste it on each page. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.